All right, loves. So, coming out the Dollar Tree. And normally I know what I'm spending, how much I'm spending, and everything, right? I'm wondering why my total is off from what's in my head. I could add a little bit, okay, y'all? A little bit. And so I was like, let me look at the receipt. Well, I looked down at the register thing when she gave me the price because I had $10 in my hand and I know, but check it out. So they have slowly crept up the price on us at the Dollar Tree. Now, I'm waiting for the name to change. Okay? So, just to let y'all know, the same stuff I buy all the time. Flushable wipes are now $1.50. They were $1.25, okay? $1.50. All right? $1.50. Now, these I don't use for my clothes. These I like to put in my pillowcases, if you can stand it. Under my, like, I put powder on my bed when I change my sheets. And then I put these under my sheets. It just smells so good, y'all. Y'all have to try it. $1.50. These, I feel like you're getting a deal because it's the Gain Odor Defense. This is normally what I put in my clothes in the dryer. $1.50 now. So I gotta check Family Dollar and Walmart to see if I'm still getting a deal, because I know you can get the big box from Family Dollar. I need to see how much it is, how many it is, and see if it's still benefiting me to shop here. I'm very frugal, okay? I buy what I want, I buy what I like, but I'm not about throwing away money. So I gotta see if it's still worth getting these from the Dollar Tree. It's 25 cents more, but it makes a big difference, y'all. Because before, where you can get 4 things for $1, now 4 things are costing you, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, $5. Girl, this store getting sparser. Okay, now it's $1.50. Okay, what else was $1.50? Oh, the wipes for my car. I don't know what this red sticker mean that they putting on everything. Maybe that's everything that went up in price. But it wasn't no red sticker on this, but $1.50, and I know these were $1.25. But you get 30 in here, and I like to have these in the car to wipe. I wipe down my car weekly, so I like to have these in the car. But they're now $1.50. Okay, the pumice stone is still $1.25. So the beauty supply area, it's still $1.25. Now this, there go the red sticker again, $1.50 for the toilet. I see what they trying to do. Now, surprisingly, the salt was 79 cents. Surprisingly. And I don't use this for my food, y'all. I use this for the garbage cans. Okay? If you don't know, I am very OCD about clean stuff. And the garbage can in the house, yes, I put other things in the one in the house, but I put some salt in there too. But the big garbage can that the cities and counties give you outside, I put salt in that, and I also put pine salt in there, and it keeps maggots from forming. I say this all the time. If you don't live in South Florida, I can't express it enough. It is hot. Okay? We baking down here. Like we overcooked frying down here, okay? And I don't care if the garbage can is outside. I'm not gonna be able to do it. Not gonna be able to do it. I cannot stand to throw stuff in the garbage can and there's like in there, okay? So I put salt in the garbage can. I learned that trick a long time ago. It's been working so far. Also the pine salt, it's been working so far. So that's what I get. So 79 cents is not bad because I go through a lot of salt. After they come, well, it's probably TMI, but after they come get the trash, I put the salt in there in the bottom, in the pine salt. And then in between putting trash bags in there, I put more salt, especially if I'm putting rice or something that I know gets too hot. I'm gonna put salt. So I go through a good little bit of the salt. But that's what I do with that. But also I want to tell y'all off subject. I showed y'all the magnetic necklace things. The only thing about, where'd it go? The magnetic necklace things is they do come off very easily. So if you're like me and you have glam babies, nieces, nephews, little babies, if they pull it, just be careful. It is very easy to come off and take off. It's also very easy to get pulled onto other stuff and come off. But I do like the magnetic holder. It does make it a lot easier for me to put on my jewelry. I've always been able to put on my jewelry, but this is a faster, quicker fix, and I don't have it on all of them. I just did 2 or 3 of them that I would love to take off when I'm taking a shower without so much hassle. So I don't have it on all of them. But my friend T did say, hey girl, hey T, that you need to spray them or whatever, because they do turn very fast, and they do turn very fast. I sprayed mine. You can polish them or spray them. It's very hard to spray them because the magnet is so small, but I did spray them. But you do get like, I think you get like 20 in a pack for like $8 or something. So you get a lot. If it turns, you could throw it away. You get a lot. But I just tried to spray my second set. The first ones I used turned. I took them off and threw them away. I sprayed this second set. They holding their ground a little bit, but it's still not bad for the money. If you want to be able to get your jewelry on and off with long nails, it's not bad for the money. Just watch it with little kids and with pulling on it, because it does very easily come off. Now, it's not going to fall off your neck. It's not going to fall on the floor. You're not going to lose it like that. But if somebody pulls or you pull or get caught on something, the magnet very easily comes apart. But you're not going to be walking down the street and your jewelry just fall off. It's a magnet. It is stuck to each other. Okay, so you're not going to lose it like that. But you definitely want to pay attention. If you pick up somebody baby or hold somebody baby, a lot of babies like to go for all of my stuff. You just want to be aware. I got nieces, nephews, grandkids, and they always go for my stuff. So I'm always, paying attention. But it is 10 out of 10 worth the money, those magnetic clasps. But yeah, I had to let y'all know. Now, this girl right here is still $1.25. And that's good, because I like to run in and just grab one sometimes. I'm trying to come off of those so much, y'all. I ain't going to say never, ever, ever, but I'm trying to come off those so much. But that was still $1.25. Praise be to Lord. But Dollar Tree is going up. Pay attention when you're shopping. They got me today. Not too bad, but they got me. But now, I'm frugal, so now I got to pay attention to what I go in there and get, because y'all know Walmart and Target have their dollar spot too. And sometimes things are a little bit cheaper. A little bit cheaper. Even though it's less of a hassle to run in a Dollar Tree than it is to run in a Wally. Wally World is an amusement park. So sometimes, I guess if you just need those 1 or 2, 3 things, how do they say it? You pay for convenience. Sometimes you're going to spend $1.50 just to not have to go to Wally World, find parking, trample through the animals, get through the park, get through the lines, pay and get out. So, but what y'all think? Like, Dollar Tree tripping, right? Like, every time we get something good, we used to have deals and big lots, and every time we get something good, they mess it up. Now we had a Dollar Tree. Now it's $5 Tree. Like, what's up with that?